I'll create a banner.
Cool, and we're live.
Grand Rising.
I told everybody in the chat, I said, please do not blow up today. It's Monday. Let's ease into the start of the week. I don't want to hear I accidentally sent a mini. I didn't know what you meant by size down. I don't want to hear none of that shit.
Yeah,
I
none
don't
of
want to
that
hear
bullshit.
any of it.
Monday, no news. We do have Trump speaking at 10 a.m. So that's probably the only thing that might shake stuff up.
Do you think the market is used to the Trump talks by now?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, you're still gonna get crazy candles and stuff, but just part of it, man.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Good morning. Good morning.
So
Grand Rising. Good morning.
the grandest.
The grandest.
Let's see what the market's talking about.
Let's see what the market's talking about. Yeah, good morning, guys. Let a few of you trickle in, then we'll kind of go over this the game plan.
Cool. MicroStrategy's back above 404. Apple is at 227.
Yeah, Apple pulled back a little bit. They had a dividend. I'm
It was
I'm
at
so
231 at one
convicted.
point.
Yeah, but yeah, Friday was insane. Friday was like a euphoria day. So I'm like, I expect what would be actually perfect today for Apple is a daily 1, 2, 3 setup. So giant extension bar on Friday. Today's like a little paused hammer inside bar. Then tomorrow another extension. That'd be sick. So so yeah, Apple. I'm not worried
We're at
about
new all-time highs again.
Yep.
Yeah, Apple's good. We're gonna, bro. We're gonna be ripping all-time highs for a little while.
Dude, I think Apple's gonna go to like 300. I just don't know the timeline of when that's gonna happen, but I do think that's a possibility. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Let's get into the charts, shall we? Yes, we shall. That we shall. We can see it. Okay, we're good. Oh, Prob's in here. What's good, bro? Good morning. Good to see you. Prob's the homie. All right. So, what do we got today? What do we got today? Let's zoom out. Daily chart. So, obviously, this bull bar from last week really made a statement because we're just right back towards the highs, right? As we kind of pull back here and look for pullbacks, what are we going to watch? Recent daily highs. So, this overnight low, 660 area. It's going to be the first area to watch. You can see right here, multiple tests of it. That's why this is kind of an important level, this 660 zone. If you want to get all fancy dancy and throw a little something like this here, right? You got boom, 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 pulling back here. Decent area. If this fails, what's next? Well, this has been a really, really key zone, which was this level. Not that. Why can't I do this? There we go. This 584-ish area. And where does that stem from? That, my friends, stems from the recent highs of back here, right? Bunch of tests of this zone. We overshot it here, reclaimed it here. So if we happen to get down to there, I'm definitely going to look for buying. I also saw this. Some people are going to hate this, but it's kind of hard to unsee once you see it. Oops. Shout out Tory Trades. You got like this like kind of like trend line-ish thing going on here, right? Oh, I keep pressing shift. I'm sorry. You got this like kind of trend line thing going on here. So boom, boom, boom. You know, if this does pull back to this 600 zone, 584, it's confluent. So if we pin into here and then reclaim, I think that's just so a really good setup in terms of buying. It's a good dip buy setup. If we lose this for whatever reason, yeah, we could see it really going down. So just something interesting. I'm not going to keep this on here, though. Just something my eyes kind of saw. Again, trend line stuff. I'm not a huge trend line guy. It's just like when I see it, I'm like, all right, I'll keep it in mind. It's there. It exists. But I'm not going to base I don't trade a whole system off of that. It could just be added confluence or something like that. So that's what I got on watch. Just overnight low in that 600 area. If we kind of like spring through overnight highs into 800 and fail, then come back down, That could be a better short all the way back towards this zone potentially. But as of now, we're just rejecting VWAP right off the open. So that doesn't seem like that's the likely scenario. If anything, we'll probably come sweep here, kind of see how we act here near, like I said, these 665s. I don't really want to buy this right here, this close to the open on a Monday. I'm going to wait. If we do end up buying here and it works, I'm just going to fucking wait until we get it back above VWAP or something like that. I don't want to be getting involved 5 minutes off the open off on a Monday with no news. So I'm going to sit nice and pretty. That's my game plan. And that's what I got. How are you, Lawrence? What's good?
I'm good. I'm over here doing my pre-market plan. Normally when I do my pre-market plan, I have like this checklist, and it's like mark out London lows and highs, identify my bias for the day, enable my copy trader. Are we consolidating on the higher time frame, like the 4-hour daily, and then my intentions for the day, like, what are my intentions? So as of now, I don't really have a bias because we just hit all-time highs like a few seconds ago. So, did we? Yeah, well, over Asia, didn't we? I'm looking at
23,845.
I'm looking at Qs, right? Oh, sorry, I'm looking at Qs.
You're looking at Qs. Yeah, you're looking at Qs.
Yeah. I'm looking at Qs.
Which is a good thing. See, no, it's a good little reminder though. Qs, yes, Qs. We did peak above all-time highs barely. SPY has a little bit more room to go.
Yep.
Yeah, but no, good point.
Yeah, so I don't see that we're like really consolidating right now. And then intentions for the day, 1 trade per day, high quality setups only, and I'm only risking between 350 to 390. The reason why I like the one thing that I do like about the 1 trade per day is I could send the whole daily max loss. I could just send it.
Yeah, literally, you can. Yeah, you can. Yeah. I could send it.
Yeah,
you can. Yeah, you can. I like that.
So,
also, honorable mention here. You're not gonna like it, Lawrence, but I do like YM. I like this 44,400 level, which is basically just this overnight high area. Look on like the hourly.
I don't feel too harsh about YM the way that I feel about RTY.
Yeah, I know. So see, like this is actually not too bad. We're starting to reclaim VWAP here as well. And we just had a big old pin at the open here, sweeping Asia lows. Look at this. This actually looks pretty decent, man. Fuck. This looks pretty good. Let's see if we can get back through 44,000. RTY and YM are kind of doing their thing right now and going. So this actually looks kind of decent. I can't get involved so early off the open. I don't want to do it.
Yeah, take your time.
I know I am, but I like this. So I will watch this 44,000, kind of see how this digests. Daily chart on this. God, see this has so much room back up towards these highs, right? This looks great. We just need to get back through this 44,400. And then this can easily come target like 622s. Dude, this has some fucking room. I like this. So RTY, what we doing? Let's look at RTY real quick. Kind of same thing RTY, right? This looks kind of decently bullish, kind of back up to here. It's still small cap summer. Don't forget. So we're looking good. A nice rip off the open here on RTY. Wow, look at that power candle. Love that. So we'll see. Let's kind of see how this plays out a little bit closer to 10 a.m. with Trump coming in the market to say some things. And we'll go from there. And that's pretty much it. I'll be on tomorrow. Then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I will not. Going on a cruise.
Tomorrow. Okay, damn. All right. Because I was gonna hop on a stream with Luna tomorrow because I thought you wasn't popping up tomorrow.
No, I'll be on tomorrow. I won't maybe hit him up massive Wednesday.
Yeah, I'll tell him Wednesday. Yeah, I'll do Wednesday. Well, good morning, everybody. What up, Brian? What up, Fit? Rusty, Taylor, Luke. What up, Vaughn? That's my guy. Nikki Pips, stock market, the scientist. I'm just not man, the scientist. Stock market scientist. That's a hard name. I like it.
That is a hard name. We do have CPI tomorrow and PPI on Wednesday. That is definitely notable. Drew, what's good? What's good? Me and Drew had a nice old talk on Friday. Drew's gonna fucking execute. Drew's doing set and forget for this whole week.
Nice.
He's gonna see it. He's gonna see a setup. He's gonna take it, and because Drew is really good at charts. Like honestly, he's great technicals and stuff. But sometimes he like over manages or like all the noise we talk about, right? Noise in between target and stop loss. So our one-on-one session this past Friday, I was like, all right, your only job this week and focus is set and forget. We're going to try it. And if it, there's some days where maybe it got really close to your profit target, but didn't hit, and then it stops you out, whatever, let's just collect the data for a whole week and just see what it looks like.
And I think that, and I've been on that very hard lately. I actually dropped a YouTube video, and I went on a rant, so I'm gonna clip out the rant and make another YouTube video on it. But basically, I was talking about is like, think about it. The reason why we pay attention to the noise in the middle and we over like manage our trades, right? Like we micromanage our trades is because we think that technical analysis is the reason why the market is moving, bro. Like if everybody just gives that up, the fact that technical analysis is not the reason why the market is moving, then micromanaging, there's no reason to do it. There's no reason to even it's not the reason, So what are we doing here? I mean, if it's entertaining, like me and you could do it, like it's entertaining, but there's no point in micromanaging, honestly.
Yeah. Dude, I like this on YM, bro. I know we just rejected view up hard, but kind of want to try this long and keep a stop at the low a day.
Wait, let's you just wait till you take out impulse, wait till you take out the impulse candle.
Yeah, let me see. I need a second long. I really don't like this rejection of VWAP. Actually, it's pretty ugly. So yeah, I do agree.
Would you take this short?
No, I wouldn't take the short.
Based off of your VWAP. Okay.
See, yeah, I am conflicted because like my bigger picture says long. That's why I don't want to take the short. That's the only issue. My bigger picture says long on this. Obviously, it's rejecting real damn hard. So I don't like that. I'm glad I didn't take it so far.
Yeah.
Obviously, yeah.
Oh, and another thing for Drew. Sorry. And another thing for Drew. What was I about to say? Damn. Oh yeah, mental capital is what causes you to tilt. So like I'm watching this video. I'm gonna put this in the Discord too, but I was watching this video and I was taking notes. And every decision that we make leading up to our trades is costing us mental capital. So every time you're analyzing and every time that you're looking at several screens and all this type of stuff and trying to make like micro decisions, it's chipping away from that mental capital. And mental capital is not like, or mental exhaustion is not like physical exhaustion where you're out of breath. Like you won't even know that you're mentally exhausted just because you're able to think still. So, so tilt and emotional volatility are those signals of mental exhaustion. So whenever you feel like your emotions are starting to seep out more and more, you're getting mentally tired.
This is tricky here. I kind of want to try this just once. This would be the spot to do it. I'm going to try it.
Order filled.
Just one contract. Stop at the low. Small little stop. Let's see. And then I'll add to it if it really starts getting back going above it. We got a lot of resistance about this. That's what I don't like, but that's why I'm just risking one contract. Just one. It's definitely ugly. That's why I'm not too fond of this, but let's see. Let's see. This would be the spot to try it. Sweep, little hammer, boom. Yep, there we go. A little something.
Bitcoin's at $120,000.
Dude, Ethereum's about to break out to all-time highs. Let's fucking go.
I don't care about nothing but Bitcoin. Fuck Ethereum. But Ethereum is ripping right now. It's at 4,200, 4,250.
Yeah, Ethereum. Yeah, it looks really good. Really, really good.
It went all the way up to 43,500, which is good. Their all-time highs is 5,000, I think. Oh no. 48, 660, 48, 68. Yeah, that shit's about to hit all-time highs.
Yeah.
I think Bitcoin is probably gonna. I would love to see a $200,000 Bitcoin before the cycle is over.
I think we'll see that. Seems
like before this cycle is over.
Seems very possible. It's going to take me out. It's probably take me out. It's very heavy, but I don't know. Something about it. Something about this, dude. Something about this YM. Let's see. Can I add one more here if we get back above 300? Let's see. Let's see.
Bro, we are just so fucking bullish, bro. Jesus. Oh
I'm
my
gonna add.
God.
This gets
We
back
just
above 100 here.
go. We're just going right now.
I'm adding.
Order filled.
Damn,
Might regret it, but
day.
let's see. Can we get back through 300 here? Push. Everything else is pushing. Line up the stars here. Line up the stars here.
Align the stars.
That was an ugly rejection at 300.
Ooh.
They're trying. They're definitely trying to do something here. Oh no, I'm gonna be really wrong, I think. Probably. Maybe not. Let's see. Can we get a little more buying come in here? Can we get something? Can we get a little something, something? A little sweep? You know, we got the sweep. Let's get the reclaim here. Give us the reclaim. I don't know. There's just something about this action here. There we go. It's a little bit of something. No, it's too heavy, dude. Okay, I'm cooked. Well, that sucks.
Order filled.
Okay.
Damn,
That was
like
an all right attempt. I didn't really like that much. I probably shouldn't have added to it. Whatever. Probably shouldn't have added. I just feel like this is going to hold. I don't know why. I could be just delusional.
You said what now?
I feel like this is going to hold, but I don't know why.
I mean, that might be the sweep right there. Oh, that's a 30-second chart. Go to like the 2-minute chart.
No, the 2 minute. I mean, it's pretty bearish overall. This rejection of VWAP was really ugly. Like, I feel like I'm just gonna be trying to buy something that's not there. So I'm gonna sit and wait. That was $300 loss. I didn't even want to lose 300 there. I only wanted to lose like 150. I shouldn't have added to it. I'm just gonna wait now. Let's go back to NQ to please you. Pull back to VWAP up here in RTY. Not bad. Not bad. Didn't we have? I think we had some like. I think there was some like war news overnight or something like that. When that happens, YM really doesn't like it. There could be residual of it, to be honest.
Oh, that's cool. Umar Ashraf like one of my tweets.
Sick. Love that.
Nice.
Love that.
It means I must be doing something right.
Yeah. Means you're probably posting about TradeZella.
Yeah. Yeah.
Man, I like this RTY, dude. I like this RTY. Pull back the view up here. Looks really good. Fuck, dude. So, I think I gotta take this. I do need to take this. I'm taking this.
Order filled.
I need to take this. I have to. I have to. I have to take this. Just one, though. Just one. See if we can add.
Oh, bounce off a view up?
Yeah, and it was bounce off near-term volume point of control in the pre-market, which was down here, or at the open. Pretty good. Good odds. I'm not against it. I just don't know if the stop's going to be good enough. That's why I only have one contract. Okay. No, this isn't going to work either, dude. I'm too early, dude. I need to fucking sit here for a hot minute.
maybe you're on RTY. I thought you just said you were going to go on NQ.
I know. I'm a little all over the place this morning. This is my setup, though. I'm like, I feel like I need to try it. Okay.
Order
Now
filled.
we're just going to really sit here for a hot minute. All right, guys. This is fucking... Okay, Lawrence, you do something. I'm going to just fucking sit here. God, I fucking hate the open, dude. Fucking hate it.
All right, so today, I know that you didn't want to do the presentation style, but I want to make like a slideshow with brief topics.
You can do whatever. You can go for it. You can absolutely like I got some stats on pull back to view off with probabilities. That's all I'm going to talk about a little bit, and then
Yeah. Just want to see you do something.
Sounds like a sit out day, a lot of emotions. I don't sit out. I'm not a pussy. No, just kidding. It's good to sit out if you can. I'm just actually don't feel that emotional at all. I just tried two trades, these didn't work. I'm just like, man, okay. I'm going on a cruise tomorrow. I feel good. I'm like, I don't give a fuck about trading right now. Dude,
You said I'm in vacation mode.
I'm in vacation mode. I'm up 11 grand in my Apple Leaps. Things are I'm fine. Let's see if Trump can do something though. It'd be nice. See these hands?
You gonna sit on them?
I'm not gonna sit on them, but they're here in front of you guys to do some. Okay. Monday. Why did we bounce off 680 on NQ? Couldn't we have at least gone to fucking do something else?
Oh.
Friday high.
For everybody that's listening, today is our first session for group coaching. So I'm going to drop the link in the chat. We're going to be talking about thinking in probabilities, how to detach. That's something that everybody voted for. We normally send out a poll for everybody in the Discord, and they vote on what topics that we're going to pretty much discuss to you guys and then do Q&A. So tonight at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time, we're going to be talking about thinking in probabilities, how to detach. And that's something I'm glad that everybody chose on, because I'm really big on thinking in probabilities. So I can go on my nice little rants and pretty much explain what thinking in probabilities mean, make sure everybody's playing the right game, because we all know this is a probabilities game, but our actions show otherwise, you know? So, because I mean, probabilities is just a glorified way of saying guessing.
Yeah.
And people don't like uncertainty and guessing, so then we tilt. So I'm going to put the link in the comment section. You guys go ahead and sign up for group coaching, come and support and learn valuable information about thinking in probabilities and how to detach from trading, from your trades, your outcome, the trading outcomes.
It's gonna be sick. I'm excited for the first session. I think it's gonna be a lot of gems and just the open Q&A. It's like people can ask whatever they want about whatever they want. It's gonna be sick, man. Fucking hype for it. Man, this YM, I totally just botched that because it's actually a fantastic short. Sometimes you just need a little more information to get your eyes right. And it happens. It happens. Because man, this thing is just fucking dying now. Really dying. Which makes you think NQ is gonna die too. It's the only one that's not dead yet. Kevin, excited for tonight. Just been watched Mark Douglas seminar over the weekend. This ties in perfectly. Let's go. Absolutely. Absolutely, my friends. We are sinking on the old YM. Really sinking here. Here's the pullback on Qs finally. SPY teasing low a day.
Nice, Kevin. So Kevin says excited for tonight. Binge watch Mark Douglas seminar over the weekend. This ties, yes, yes. Mark Douglas is one of the people that I would say Mark Douglas and Yumi, them two are like they're really been influential on my trading psychology takes and stuff like that.
Yeah,
So,
Mark Douglas is great. Kevin S. I only trade gold. It's what works for me. My data says the most profitable when I stick to only gold, but your good coaching still apply to me without trading. This is for sure. Absolutely.
Yeah.
A lot of it's going to be like a lot of like trading psychology stuff. So 1,000%. And I guarantee you when it comes to trading gold, probably same idea with like probabilities what we're going to talk on today. It's actually probably going to be fire because I guarantee you there's so much noise in gold where it's like, oh, but you just know your profit target and your stop loss, and like kind of thinking about that a bit more is what helps. So absolutely, it would help.
Yeah.
I've had quite a few people actually that I've coached that trade gold. Gold is gold solid. It's like we only do indices, but gold I think is like next runner up. And then a lot of people actually I don't have anyone that really trades oil. I've had like one person that traded oil for a bit, and I'm like, you really want to trade this? No. Question about prop firms. Can you explain the consistency rule and your opinion on consistency rule versus no consistency rule? Yeah, really good question. Consistency rule, I'd say, is really only if you're trading a straight to funded, meaning no combine, no nothing. That's why those consistency rule exists. I personally like it because it makes me not too greedy because I have like a cap of how much I know I can hit. So I fuck with it. I've gotten like some of my most consistent payouts trading on straight to funded accounts that have consistency rules. Obviously, if you want to run it up, no consistency rule for sure is the way to go. And it's just really preference, man. Like that's just what it comes down to. Because like you don't know. Number one, we never know how far obviously the market's going to go or not go. So it really is personal preference. But if you like the straight to funded model and you don't want to do a combine, that's why those consistency rules are there, because prop firms still need to make money. And when it comes down to it, they can't just be giving you accounts with straight to funded, no consistency. It'd be kind of crazy. So it's personal preference. I don't have a problem with it at all. Lawrence doesn't like the consistency rule, I know, but it's because he's used to trading Top Step. So
yeah, I don't like the consistency rule. Like me personally, every single prop firm that I like always have to be as close to a live funded account as possible. So I'm not going to cap my upside if I have a good day or whatever the case may be. Like that's the whole point. Like when we trade, yeah, we're going to lose. So therefore, when we do win, we got to make sure. That's why I go for a 2R every time. We got to make sure we kind of like run it up to make that buffer for those days that we do lose. So I don't really like consistency rules like that because it kind of ties into my belief of when you're in a winning trade, let it run so you can have a buffer for your losing trades to come into the future that will inevitably come into the future. So I'm not going to have a consistency rule.
Yeah. I like this bounce on YM. The 2 minute.
There's no consistency rule for the downside.
Yeah, it's true. Very true. Let's see. Nice push there. Pull back to VWAP on QQQ. That was really nice. Really, really nice there.
We're coming up on 10 o'clock in about 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Kevin, I said my Apex account has a downside consistency. They have downside and upside consistency, or just downside?
Apex does both. They do.
I mean, but that's that. I mean, to be honest with you, that just requires very skilled traders that requires very skilled traders. They're just trying to filter out less skilled traders because you have to really be disciplined and say, okay, I can't lose this much and I can't win this much. You got to be precise when you do this type of stuff on a daily basis. So, and I think Apex, they do like what, every 2 weeks you can take out 10 days, 10 green days or something like that.
I think it's 8 trading days for Apex, something like that.
Yeah. So even for me, and I think that I'm a pretty precise trader, I would still have to make sure I'm on top of my game and be, on it if I'm going
Mhm.
to be like, okay, I can't lose this much and I can't lose and I can't make this much. Do they have a trailing drawdown too?
Mhm.
With
Yeah, Apex, yeah, they got
yeah,
intraday trailing drawdown,
trailing
yeah.
drawdown with the downside consistency and a upside that's insane, brother.
Yeah,
You know
but
how
their
good
whole
of a
thing,
trader you gotta be?
but it's like pick your battles, bro, because you can trade 20 accounts with Apex. So again, like if you can that's the only benefit of Apex is the leverage. Like literally, if you can trade the 20 accounts, there you go. Also, real quick, I did get long here on YM one more time. Stop at the low. Looks pretty decent. Pretty fucking decent. Let's see if we can get a run all the way back up to 44,400 here.
You're
Be
lucky
really
you
nice.
stopped me from talking just now because Apex is
I know you're about to
that's
go ahead.
pretty. They're praying. That's really bad, bro. And me,
Mhm.
from like a psychology junkie, you mean to tell me downside consistency, upside consistency, trailing drawdown, and you're going to leverage the greedy mind of people saying, "Oh, 20 accounts, so $200, you make 4,000." Like, okay,
It's all psychology, bro. That's all
bro,
it is.
bro, be careful out here. That's all I'm gonna say.
Damn, nice reclaim on RTY as well. This looks pretty decent. I just like this balance. This is such an aggressive. What I actually really liked here, I zoomed out. That's why I took this again one more time. Was we swept here finally 200s, overshot 200, reclaimed, put an insanely nice 2-minute hammer. Then
10 o'clock here.
yeah,
And Nikki Pips is not worth it. Most traders can't even manage 20 accounts. Most traders can't manage one account.
I know, literally, bro.
They
Oh,
can't
Rip
manage one
fired me.
account.
Damn, Tan. I remind the stream just to see that you got bonked the same YM sleeve as me. Yeah, that happened. It's okay. That's why I'm waiting. That's why I'm trying it one more time here again. I don't know. I might be stuck in this bias on YM right now, but this looks like a really solid attempt here. I want to just see this fully play out into 10 a.m. We got Trump right now. Apparently speaking, that's what it said on Forex Factory. Let's see if this can just pan out and sweep the highs, go to 400s, maybe even go to sweep the overnight high. That'd be kind of crazy. I don't know about that, but maybe. I'm sitting pretty, sitting tight. Only got one contract though. That's what I don't like.
That's that shit I don't like.
That's the shit I don't like. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of do have a goal today and tomorrow. I hate like trying to chase stuff like this, but if I make $1,500 between today and tomorrow, I can take a $7,000 payout and go on the cruise and go fuck off.
That'd be cool.
That sounds pretty nice. Really sounds nice. I noticed that one con on YM is similar to 5 MNQ. Yeah, I mean 100 points on YM is $500 basically. So how about unwind a bit? Yeah. I'm excited. I'm excited but nervous just because the last time I went on a cruise, I just had such bad vertigo when I got off and it was so hungover. It was terrible. So I'm like, fuck, I'm a little nervous for that. Look at this push, dude. This looks really decent now. We're coming into DIA VWAP, New York VWAP, literally right here, and a retest of this low. Got to be kind of cautious here. I'm going to leave the stop. I'm going to let this fully trade now because this could have some deep pullback into here, but as long as we don't break this low, I think we will be fine. We just have so much overhead resistance. That's what's really hard. We got near-term volume point of control. I'm looking at 333, which also ties in with VWAP. Man, that's going to be fucking hard to get through. Really hard to get through. Ah, man, it's going to be really tough to get through. But I want to see this candle fucking mosey on upward.
Mosey on up.
Mosey on upward, dude.
Yeah.
Alex Hormozy.
Yeah, he got a new book coming out.
He does. Dude, that guy is an advertising machine, bro.
Bro, what? It's so insane. His output is crazy.
It's crazy, dude. I think he talks about like the first 4 hours of his day every day. All he does is advertise. Like think about ways to advertise business. Like that's a good idea.
That makes perfect sense. Ooh, you see that shit?
No, I didn't.
On NQ? My God.
It didn't happen on YM. That's all I care about.
Thank God it didn't, brother. That's all I gotta say.
Dude, Apple is just respecting these levels. Apple, this is it, dude. This is Apple's fucking year, bro. This is fucking it.
I hope it goes to
Remind me
300
later,
before. I hope it goes to 300 before your expiration is up.
dude. That'd be fucking. I wouldn't be able to hold it till there. I'd be up like. I think I'd make like $100 grand if that happened. That'd be crazy. No, my plan is we hit 250. Depending on the time frame, how long it takes to get to 250. Dude, wait till I show you this monthly. I'm gonna pull it up now. I'm gonna pull up the monthly chart on this Apple. It's actually insane, dude. Pull this up.
The weekly chart looks like a god. If you go to the weekly chart, has a god candle for last week. Oh my
Dude,
goodness!
look
God
at the
candle.
fucking. Let's look at this real quick, guys. Sorry, we need to look at this really quick. Okay, let's go to up here on this time frame, custom. We're gonna do daily. We're gonna do 5 years. I'm not gonna do day. We're gonna do month. Okay. Look at this, bro. I know I got some lines going on, so please keep that in mind. But look at this candle engulfing right here on the monthly. This is so nice. This just looks like it wants to go straight back up towards 260s. Like, it literally looks like it wants to go straight there. Like, oh my God, it looks so nice. So nice.
It does.
So that's what I'm watching. I really want to see that. 4-chart layout, love it. Thank you. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at on my other screen. I'm always like talking about like VPOC this and that. It's because I'm always looking at the master grid. Yeah, Apple looks great, dude. It just pulled back to 225. I know options insiders out there buying this pullback to 225. He was talking about that yesterday. I don't know if you guys know Vincent on Instagram. Options. Actually, I think his name on Instagram is just Vincent and his last name, but his option insider is like his group or whatever. Solid dude. I only know him through social media, but I like his stuff a lot. Cool dude. Not cocky. Just trading for 10 years. Knows his shit.
10 years? Jesus, man. I can't wait.
Yeah. So, and it's crazy, dude. I've watched him break out, bro. Like, I remember he was at about 5 years, roughly, like when I started, pretty much. And I remember he's like, oh, awesome day, made $500, like, made $600. And then now he's like, crazy NVIDIA play, made $82,000. Like,
damn,
oh, shit,
bro.
dude. Yeah, he's like, he scaled, he hit that that 8 to 9 year mark where you just start getting exponentially crazy, like that much better. And he fucking sent it, dude. I think I want to add on this pullback here on YM. I'm gonna do it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm doing it. I might regret it, but we're gonna try it.
I'm doing the thing.
Doing the thing. It is rejecting DIA VWAP. Because there's just a lot of overhead resistance to get through. That's what I don't like. I feel like this should have seek out 330s at a minimum.
Yeah.
We went too far from it. Let's see. This was a decent pullback to add if I was going to add. So let's see. Let's see how she goes here, ladies and gents. Let's see if we can get some momentum. Maybe even come and sweep this high at 77s. I want to be bad. Meta and Tesla looking strong. It's good. Can you put Buddy's name in the chat? Vincent? Yeah, let me look it up real quick. Vincent Desiano. Vincent Desiano. That's him on Instagram. Yeah, cool dude. At least from what I see on social media and like chat with him a little bit here and there. But
where is he from?
I think he's from Florida. I think he is.
Oh, cool.
Well, all you guys are from Florida, dude. A bunch of traders from Florida. Nikki Pips, you motherfucker. I know I did see this and I didn't want to see it. No, y'all heard about the incident
And I
happened.
didn't want to
Yeah,
see
more
it.
alongside glass blew out. I literally I watched that happen. I saw it on TikTok, and I was like, babe, don't open TikTok. I told my girl, I was like, don't open it. Why? Why? I'm like, just don't.
Don't do it.
Just don't do it. Just don't do it.
Are you going to Royal Caribbean?
Yeah, I am Royal Caribbean.
Okay.
Man, I am, my friend.
Make sure you come back. All right.
I will.
Like,
Yeah, no, I'm
okay.
not gonna be crazy, dude. It's gonna be it's just me and my girl. I'm not going with like a squad of friends being degenerate. I am going to Ensenada though, and I'm gonna take her to Papa's and Beer. That'll be fun. Have you ever heard of that or done that?
Nope.
Papa's
Never.
and Beer. It's just it's almost like a like Senor Frogs, like type mango deck type shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Senor Frogs is lit. I like Senor Frogs.
Yeah, it's like that. So that should be fun. Man, this is just really not doing much here. Need to pick up some steam. Need this to pick up some steam here to the upside. Ugly rejection of DIA VWAP. I don't like that. I think it might be cooked on this. I don't like how this rejected. We'll see. I feel like 328 was like, this should be such a good target at a minimum. So I do got VWAP there and near-term volume point of control. Let's see. Question is, do I cover some there? If we can get up there. Go through the different time frames. I don't like see, this is a nice hammer. I just don't like this rejection here, man. Need to fill back up to the upside. Did sleep this pretty good. I don't know. I'm gonna hold this through. I kind of like this. I'm gonna see it through.
I'm pop here a little bit. I didn't get it.
Did you get in or no?
I had.
Yeah, this action fucking sucks, dude. We haven't even moved 100 points in NQ since the open.
There's a no bueno on Mondays. That's why I don't trade Mondays. Understandable.
Very respectful. Respectful as fuck. Yeah, I don't like this, dude. I just feel like this is bokey. I just don't like how it's not doing anything. It's just like it's doing what it's gonna do to just die. And that's what I don't like here.
There's maybe a no trade day for me because I don't have an entry.
Yeah. This should have already gone, dude. I don't like this. This should have already gone. I feel like this is just going to H all the way down. Really don't like it.
Yeah, Nick, I kind of agree with you on that one. For me, volume, I am waiting for volume, but
this,
I'm just not looking at the charts right now, and I'm like, oh, here's an entry that's smacking me dead in the face. Like here, my entry model is looking me dead in my face. Like I don't see anything. I don't see anything that is just like this is an obvious buy or an obvious sell. Like I don't see any of that right now.
Dude, this is awful. I think I might cut this early. I'd never do that, but I just really don't like this. It just looks so heavy to me. And I rejected this way too early, dude. Fuck, I think I'm gonna cut this, dude. I don't like it. I really don't like it, man. This is awful. This is so fucking awful. This thing fucked me up all day, dude. Okay.
Order filled.
I'm not doing it. All right, guys. It's not my day. It's not my fucking day, dude. It's
okay. Just got to survive through these days so we can get to those days that pay us out.
no, I'm just being fucking stupid though, dude. Like this YM has been so weak all morning. There was a decent setup here, but it just didn't follow through. And then like I'm just frustrated, to be honest.
It's okay. Let's see how many calls I got today. It's cool. It's cool. We got a couple more people in here. Like I said earlier, we're having our first group session. Our first group session today on Zoom. We're going to be talking about thinking in probabilities, how to detach from the outcomes of your trade. So if you have a hard time accepting losses or getting too elated or happy with wins, things like that, that can trigger your emotions, help you, make you go on tilt, over leverage, all that type of stuff. This is a session for you. And I'm going to put the link one more time in the chat so you can hop on it. It's going to be at 6:30 p.m. Eastern today. Do Q&As and everything.
We'll post it. We'll post it today, a little bit closer to the announce. It'll be in the announcement section. I'm pretty much done, dude. I don't think I'm gonna make anything happen with $300 of risk on a Monday with no news. God, this apple looks so good. Just respect what it needs to do. I'm like, thank you. Keep doing that. Keep respecting it, baby. This was just lame. Why do they have to come to 680 here and bounce? Why couldn't they sweep this at least and then go? Lame. Lame.
Yeah, I'm still waiting.
Yeah, what you got on your screen?
Get into a thing where I'm starting to mark out what's low quality, high quality, just so I can increase my discretion. So like when I look at low and high quality, so I'm like, okay, this is low quality, this is high quality, here's the difference. And I'm just marking out every single step and just labeling it as something I'm not going to pay attention to as low quality, or something I'll take into consideration leading up to my entry.
It's fair.
Yeah.
God, I missed this fucking sweep. Okay.
Ooh, there she go.
There's something. Trump's saying something. Dude, watch YM fucking hold this low. Some action. A little bit of action.
Yeah, this is not good. So it's low quality. Okay.
It's a low quality day in general.
Displacement.
Just
Actually,
a
I'm going
low
to
quality
do
day in general. Oh my god, dude, this is crazy. This RTY is crazy. Wow. Okay. That'll be it.
boom. If it could pull back one more time and then continue to go to the upside, I'll go for a long. But right now,
I think it
I'm
might just
chilling.
run away, dude. To be honest,
It might.
might just
It might.
run.
Yeah, because if I look on 30-second chart, that shit probably looks amazing. Yeah, like this is my entry model on the 30-second chart right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is my entry. Yeah, this is my entry model. But I'm not gonna do the 30-second chart madness no more.
Yeah,
That
you're better
right
with the
there,
one.
man.
You're better with the 1 minute.
Yeah, that's probably gonna run, honestly.
Semi decent.
Yeah, bro, I gotta stick to the 1 minute, 2 minute. But this might actually take off.
I know this ain't bad. This ain't terrible.
This is like this right here is just not what I want to waste my shot on right here. This just does not
Yeah,
look good. I need to have displacement. I need it to look like this. You know
yeah.
what I'm saying? Like I kind of want to look like that. I don't want it to look like
Not the best.
I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like this.
All righty.
I'm just being patient here.
Yeah.
That's all we can do.
All you can do, bro. All you can do.
Man, MicroStrategy is at 406. It had a nice little drawdown, bro. Pullback, sorry, drawdown,
Drawback,
pullback.
drawdown, pullback,
Yeah.
pull forward,
Right.
all that stuff, dude.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Just slow Monday, guys.
Yeah. What's everybody chat? What y'all on,
Just
man?
slow ass Monday.
Anybody in a position? Sitting on hands? What y'all doing? Sitting on hands in a position blown up?
Blown up.
Yeah, that's always an option. Especially in this right
Hopefully,
here.
hopefully not. Hopefully not, my friends. I don't know, man. I think I'm just done. Try this RTY long one more time. This is probably just gonna be it.
Being patient and goal is A+ setup this month. Yep, I'm right here with you, Kevin. A+ only. I mean, this is a good time for me to try long right here, but I think I might. I just don't like it. I don't know, bro. I just need more. I need a leg. I don't need
I know.
consolidation. I need
I
a
know.
leg.
It's yeah. It is. It's hard, bro. There's just not a lot to work with.
Like, yeah, bro. I need a leg, bro. I can't. This little like this little barcode, them sitting next to each other like that. It could take off, but nah, I need this right here. I need something like that. That's what I need.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I need.
Something. Something.
Ricky, hey, yeah, it does. It does. I smell it. Ricky, you are right. I smell that. It seems like a setup to fall. Yeah, it does, bro. I smell some type of foolery, some type of fuckery.
Yeah.
You are so right about that. That's why I'm not moving yet, because this is like I feel like every time I go into a session, the market is just trying to throw shit at me to throw me off, or just like things that might look similar, but that's not the real thing.
Mm-hmm. Man, this is just fucking awful, dude. This is just fucking awful.
Yeah, even if this takes off, I'm willing to miss the move, honestly. Like
Yeah.
this could be my entry right here. Boom, boom, boom. Like that could be it. But I need it to dip a little bit lower before it takes off. I don't like this. And then look at the 1 minute. Like, I don't like this situation going on right here. Like, what is this? What do you call this? Like, what is that? Like,
Wow.
what the
Okay.
fuck?
That's it, dude. I'm fucking just done.
Wow, what happened?
Just stop me out again, dude. I'm just done. I'm done.
Oh, you took another trade?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm fucking done.
I'm waiting by to see if we sell off NQ Asia high gets taken. Yeah, I'm chilling right now, bro. Like, this is I like the way this did dip a little bit lower. It's just the quality, man. I gotta wait. And then I kind of want to let me look at the 5 minute. Yeah, this looks like it's going to come back down. If
I know.
anything, it's
Looks
going
like
to
it's
either
gonna die.
retest. Yeah, Ricky, you was up, man. I'm telling you, I like Ricky. It looked like it's probably going to come down here, retest, either continue to go higher or die. But we'll
Mhm.
see. We'll see.
Yeah, I don't know, dude. It just
To be honest with you, this is low key my entry model. If it goes past 760s, that's low key my entry model, but I don't want to take it. I'm trying to think, should I take it? Is this worth it? I'm just hoping that it doesn't make it up here. Plus, I don't like the location either. Where the highs. Yeah, I'm gonna
yeah,
wait this
it
one
is
out.
all just all
I'm gonna
trash,
wait this
dude.
out.
It's all
I'm gonna
trash,
wait.
bro.
I'm gonna wait this one out.
It's all trash. It's all fucking trash, dude.
Yeah.
All fucking trashola, dude.
I think your entry was 725s. No, it wasn't. I mean, yeah, no, they're definitely where 725s at. Nah, it possibly could have been, but it would have been. I'd have been missing a step in my criteria. The pattern is there, but yeah, this is a long.
I mean, it's yeah, it's like
I'm gonna
I
go in
feel like
small.
if you're trying to short this, it's I don't know.
Okay, there we go. 400. Right. See what happens.
See what happens. See what happens. I like this R2I reclaim here. I'm just gonna watch you. I'm watching you. Let's go, Lawrence.
See if we get it.
Let's go, Lawrence.
It might get smoked.
I don't know. 30-minute bar. How's the 30-minute look?
Yeah, I might get smoked on. It was a good try though.
Interesting reclaim here in RTY. Yeah, this 5-minute bar, I feel like they could engulf it to the upside for you.
I mean, at this point, bro, this today is so bad that it's just like almost whatever. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like today,
I
it's
know.
like everything about today is just bad. I probably should have just locked
Yeah.
out for the day, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I was thinking about doing it.
Well, now you just let it play out and see.
Yep.
You're in it.
gotta
You're
let
in
play out.
it. You're in it now. So see what she does. See what she does, my friend.
It's always the trades you don't think is going to work out that ends up working out.
Yep. Very true. Very true. Very true, my friend.
I'm going for it. That's what I'm risking.
Sending.
Mhm.
Let's see. Entry model. Good look. Good quality mid location. Yeah. Agreed. Agreed.
Yeah, I think I might get smoked on here.
Yeah. This action just sucks, dude. This is just trash. Trash, trash, trash.
Nikki Pips, I think your buy will play out. I mean, it's a good opportunity. This is a good Nikki, I think I did a good job here. Like honestly, I think it's pretty solid. It's just today is just not that great, but I think it might play out. I'm a hold it. Long into high day is tough when we have been sideways, no
Yeah,
direction. You're right. No, that's
I
right.
know.
You guys are right, bro. It's just I just had to follow. I follow my system, bro.
I
You
know.
guys are all right. You guys are all right.
Trying to see if I just see anything happening at all. I'm just like, I feel like I'm watching paint dry across the board.
Yeah.
It's the reality of trading, everyone. Sometimes it just be like that. You're like, oh, I got shit.
Yeah, I think I'm cooked here.
Got shit. I ain't got shit. Watching paint dry. Watching the paint dry. Sleepy.
Oh man. I don't think this is a bad shot.
It's just gonna be a slow grinder if it does work.
Yeah, I think I'm cooked on this one.
Yeah. I don't know, man. It just really, it's so fucking slow. It's just like,
Yeah, it's over with. You get paid for the opportunity, not the time.
mm-hmm.
There you go.
That's
Yeah,
true.
nice
A
little.
little something. A little something. Throw us a bone. Throw us a bone. Throw us a
Right.
bone.
There we go. Come on.
I hate all those long fucking wicks, dude.
Yeah, that was the opportunity. I just need a little bit more.
Just a little bit of bind to come in. Just a little bit of bind to come in. Give us a little bit of bind.
Mark of a real trader, having the patience to sit on your hands and let the trade play. Yeah, that's all I can do.
That's all I can do.
All I can do.
Can't do much more. Cannot do much more.
I did what I could.
There you go. A little something.
Yeah, I need a little bit more than that, though.
There you go. Okay. It's trying. They're trying.
I'm not getting my hopes up on this.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it just kind of is what it is. One of those things. It's such low quality. There you go. Okay. A little bit of life there.
Mm-hmm. Shot this real quick, just so I can see.
Yeah, Trump's supposed to be talking. I know. I don't know. Is he talking? Nothing's really
I
happening.
thought he was at 10 a.m.
Yeah, that's what it said on Forex Factory, but oh, here we go. Now he's talking. I'm getting tweets going on.
Nah, I'm about to be cooked. That's some bullshit.
Yeah, it's a really ugly rejection. I don't know if that's gonna hold.
They told me 10 a.m., bro. It is 10:40.
Deploying National Guard troops. That's what they said. I feel like we're trading Asia right now.
Right.
It's just so slow.
Smoked.
Yeah, that's it. Pretty cooked. Cookted. Just those rejections are awful.
Yeah, pretty bad.
Look at this action, dude. This is ridiculous. This is so ridiculous, man. Why they got to do this on a Monday? Okay.
Every time to do it.
Every time. Look at this. A little bit of breathing room.
Give me the golden signal.
Give him the golden say. This 5 minute looks fucking nice now. Oh my god, if this holds for you, I'm gonna be like, holy crap.
Golden signal right there.
Not another fucking wick, dude. No way. Finish the bar.
Man, they are not giving me.
They just give
no
a glimpse
type
of hope and then
slack,
shit
bro.
on it, dude. Every time.
They're not giving me
Glimpse
any
of
kind of
hope,
slack.
shit on. Those type of wicks too indicate a huge fucking death candles coming if we can't take them over like right now.
Golden signal. I needed to prevail. Like this is, I mean, me personally, I think that this is kind of pointing up, but I could be wrong.
I just don't like all the 5 minute wicks. The 5 minute wicks are really ugly. But if this bar negates it, it might be okay. Maybe. Maybe.
This is this right here. Where is my paintbrush at? This is my saving grace right here. need that to be I need that one candle to be
Yeah.
my saving grace, but it's not giving it to me.
Mm-hmm. They just really not making it easy. Where's Apple at? That's all I care about.
He said, "I need to smile."
I need
Where's
to
Apple
smile.
at?
I need a
I
little
need to
bit of
be
I need
happy.
a little bit of dopamine, dude.
Yeah.
I need something. I need something. All right, 10 seconds on this bar. Can we get through 60s? Can we get through 60s for you?
Can we do it here?
It's so ridiculous.
Appreciate it, Nikki. I'm gonna let it play, brother.
Yeah, he'll let it play. He's not going to cut it. I know you. I know you won't. I'll watch you take the loss instead of cutting it ever.
Yeah. I'm always gonna take the loss. True diamond hands. Right.
True diamond.
Bro,
hand.
listen. I'm gonna tell you guys where my diamond hands came from. I've been holding Bitcoin since 2018, brother. I've been through it all. I've been through it all. I've came from 67,000 all the way to 15,000. I've been through it all, bro. Facts, mama didn't raise no bitch. It's probably gonna take me right here.
Yeah.
This is some bullshit, bro. This is a good try.
It's just it's a no trade day, dude. That's what we fucked up on, honestly.
It is a no trade day.
Just forced attempts, which always hurt you the most.
Yeah.
They always hurt the most.
Damn, bro, this was a good try. Fuck. I'm
Yeah,
cooked.
that's it.
Damn, that was a good try. That was a good try.
What's live? Trump ripping. That's it. That's it. That's it, guys. All right. Today fucking suck dick. Well, that's trading. Thanks for joining us and watching us get wrecked, but that's just how it be sometimes, unfortunately. We'll try again tomorrow. Well, that's it, guys.
Yeah.
That's it. We got much to say. Just today sucked. So thanks for joining. It is what it is. Be back tomorrow. And I'll be on the cruise. So whatever. That's cool. All right. We're going to end it there. Later.